Bullish Tezos cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.73 and $7.04 by 2030. Market examiners accept XTZ could reach $2.90 by 2025. Bearish Tezos market cost expectation for 2023 is 66 cents. Tezos presentation. Until this point, the worth of the Tezos digital currency token, XTZ, has come around more than 69%. It has diminished by over 84% since the symbolic's pinnacle. The drop in XTZ's cost has been welcomed on by the unpredictability and vulnerability that have been made in both the conventional securities exchange and the cryptographic money markets because of a few macroeconomic reasons. Worldwide instability has been generally affected by the continuous Russia-Ukraine struggle, record high expansion welcomed on by rising fuel and food costs, and the U.S. central bank's sooner than anticipated fixing of money-related arrangement to direct the higher buyer costs. What is the drawn-out standpoint at the cost of the XTZ token? In this piece, we'll look all the more carefully at the blockchain and cost estimates for Tezos. What precisely is a Tezos token? Tezos is an open-source stage upheld by validators, scholastics, and developers from everywhere the world. It expects to eliminate critical obstructions to the reception of blockchain for resources and application. The Tezos stage depends on brilliant agreements. The local coin of the Tezos blockchain is called XTZ. It is utilized to interface with decentralized applications, pay charges, protect the organization through marking, and give a basic bookkeeping unit. The underlying coin offering of Tezos was directed in mid-2017. Throughout 2 weeks, nearly $232 million in Bitcoin and Ethereum were raised, well surpassing the venture's $20 million objective. Research engineer Arthur Breitman, who previously worked for Google X and the business Waymo, was the person who initially proposed the Tezos blockchain. In September 2014, Breitman distributed a white paper with additional subtleties and details on the Tezos project. He guaranteed that while Tezos offered an on-chain administration approach, Bitcoin's plan was defective and didn't give a profoundly comprehensive administration process to keep the organization from forking. This would allow token holders to decide on proposed convention alterations. Tezos is as of now worth 82 cents USD. XTZ has moved 0.43% as of now with an exchanging volume of $18,326,221. Tezos is as of now positioned 52 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $768,061,160 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Tezos to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Tezos Value Forecast 2023. Tezos, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The XTZ cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $1.24. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.16 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. XTZ is supposed to have a base worth of 99 cents. Tezos Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Tezos XTZ cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of XTZ will before long outperform $2.07. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the XTZ's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, XTZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.66 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.82. Tezos Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.90 and XTZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. XTZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.65 and a low of $2.49 in 2025. Tezos Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Tezos effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the XTZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XTZ will be green in 2026. The XTZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $3.73, with a base cost of $3.32 and a typical cost of $3.48. Tezos Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, We gauge the XTZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.31 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.14 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, XTZ has a most extreme value worth of $4.56, Tezos value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.14. On the off chance that XTZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $5.39. Neglecting to assemble the help XTZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $4.97. Tezos value expectation 2029. While XTZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $5.80 and a yearly cost close above $6.22 in 2029. Tezos value forecast 2030. By 2030, Tezos will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $6.63 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $7.04, averaging out at $6.80. Tezos value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest XTZ cost in 2031 is projected to be $8.12 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $7.79. And Tezos may not presently be the most notable digital money, but rather financial backers' revenue, and the coin has expanded as of late. The blockchain structure can't be impacted by legislative issues or financial aspects, and the venture the executives can't go with autonomous choices. Considering everything, Tezos has all the earmarks of being very engaging, regardless of whether comparative characteristics are available in numerous other cryptographic money projects. The venture members really discuss all updates. The Tezos cryptographic money has a ton of commitment, and examiners anticipate it will ultimately track down a situation in an arrangement of ventures for long-haul stockpiling. Authorities on the matter agree. The cost and interest for this cryptographic money will ascend from here on out. What is the Tezos cost today? Today, Tezos is exchanging at 82 cents with a complete market capitalization of $768,061,160. Is Tezos a wise speculation? Tezos ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that XTZ is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Tezos at any point go? The typical cost of Tezos might potentially reach $1.60.